What's up guys, today I'll show you how you can make your own advanced executor. So just go to description, copy the discord dot thing, copy this discord dot thing, this kind of discord, this kind of discord thing, and then paste it in other server and then join a server and then join server where you can verify. It's just a one tap verify. Go to make an execute, click the files and then download Monaco, and then go to Zeno, and then also go to go to APIs and then click Zeno and then download Zeno API. Click this folder icon and then double tap Monaco and then just drag the Monaco to desktop so that it's easier. Now go back to your downloads folder. Hey, let me fix my shitty sheet. And then double tap the Nexus API Zeno and then drag these two to desktop or again. But make it side to side with the Monaco because these two you need to add manually. Now open up Visual Studio 2022 if you don't have Visual Studio 2022, you can get it in Microsoft Store or Google. Now search Windows Forms App. Make sure to not choose this. Make sure to choose Windows Forms App.NET Framework. Double tap it and then choose 4.8 and then make a name for it. I'ma do YT dot. Now create. You can choose your own name for your own executor. So yeah, but if your executor is this size, but the thing is 826 521, if this shows, make sure to click restart Visual Studio with 100% scaling, and it should do it. Come on, come on, come on, stop loading. There you go. If it shows restart Visual Studio with 100% scaling, make sure to click it. Now the text change into your executor name. I'm gonna do IT tutorial. Now back color, make sure to change to black. Now right click references, add reference. Now click browse and then click desktop. Now double tap Nexus API Zeno. Now click OK. Now click this folder icon, bin debug. And then click this. Now go back to folders, go to desktop. Now click the Monaco and then control and then click the bin and then control C or copy. No, what? Click the bin and then control and then click the Monaco and then control C or copy and then exit and then click this and then control V or paste. Should be pasted. Boom, there you go. Now you can go back to my shitty as. Click file and then you can copy this, but it's not ready yet. So change form border style to none. Right click references, manage NuGet packages, click browse and then type Newtonsoft, which you'll download Newtonsoft.json. Make sure to do this correctly or you will get it wrong. It should be downloaded now. Let's get WebView. Make sure to not get this. Make sure to get Microsoft WebView, Microsoft.web.webview too. Now get gonna. Now type gonna and then get gonna UI to WinForms. Then I click accept. I accept. Now exit. Now click build and then build solution. Now click toolbox and then type panel and then just do what I do. Just do what I do, okay? Bruh! Oh, and I'll size it to that. Now get a button. You're gonna do button. Make sure to size it here. Now let's just size it like that and then size it to a tiny button. Now fill color change to black. Now text, get an emoji. Let's do the X emoji. Now copy that button and paste it. Boom, it's like that. Now text, get an emoji again and then type minus and then get this purple one. Boom, there you go. Now get a label and then change it to the name of your executor. I'm gonna change the font to Seago UI and then let's do black. Then boom. Now change the fore color to white. Change the text to white to the name of your executor. Now get a web view too. Make sure you put it like that. Now size it. Your executor. Make sure the fore color you change to white. Boom. Now size it like that. Now get another uh button. Gonna do button. Make sure you size it to fit the web view too. Okay, just do that. Boom. Now fore color is still white. Now let's go down. Let's change the text to execute and then the fill color change to black. Now copy it 3 times. The first copied one. Make sure to put it right next to the execute and then paste it another time. Now this one should be at the very end. Now this one right next to the execute. Make sure it's clear. Now the last one change to inject. There you go. Now the web view 2, make sure to scroll until you find name and then type editor. Now go back to Google and then copy this sheet, copy that and then double tap this form 1 and then go here and then enter 2 times and then paste it. Boom, like that. Now type here if there's an error, make sure to put using system.io. Now type using newtonsoft.json. Boom. Now double tap inject and then type here Nexus API Zeno dot inject. Boom. Now go up here and then type here initialize. Fuck. Initialize async. Boom. Type initialize async. Now double tap the clear button. Make sure to go back here and then copy the clear text. Copy. Now type here async. Boom, and then paste it right there. Now click double tap the execute button. Now copy this string, copy that, and then paste it. Boom, and then click go here and then type async. Now let's get drag control and make sure now the drag control change to panel 1 and then double tap the X button. Now type close and then add this to and then double tap the minimize button and then type windows state equals form window state dot minimized. Boom. Now click debug properties. Now click build, click any CPU, change to x64. Now click build and then build your executor name. Now click this and then it should look like this if you followed everything correctly. Make sure that you did not skip anything. make sure that you did not skip anything at all, because if you skip some stuff, then you might get it wrong and your executor might not work. So make sure to follow everything. Now open up Roblox player or double tap, or you can use block trap, fish trap, any shit. Now go to any game. I'm gonna pick just a base plate because I want to. Now click inject and then click Roblox. You can see Zeno attached in game. Now click F9, press F9, or you can just, if F9 doesn't work, you can just type slash console. Boom, you can see it open up console. Let me see how many minutes. Oh, 10 minutes. Nice. Okay, so this is the executor. You can see there's an advanced monocle right here. Is it bug? No, it's not bug. So yeah, now you can just put here print execute, and see it's executing, and the clear also works. And then you can also type anything like print identity, boom, and then execute. And see identity level is currently 3, but I'll try to update it soon, don't worry. Now open up, now type in Google Chrome, type UNC, check env.lua, and then click this R scripts one, R scripts, because it's it. Now click this copy script, copy. Now go back to Roblox and then clear this and then press in the UNC check. Now execute, and then let's just wait for it to load. Let's see, 83% UNC, pretty good. It's like the best I have ever done in my entire goddamn nigger life. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. So yeah, it does work. But if it doesn't download, but if you cannot download the executor, make sure to turn off antivirus, your real-time protection antivirus, piece of shit, crap. Bye bye, that's it. Bye bye.